Hey guys, I just wanted to come and show you a quick haul of some items that I purchased from Sassy Girl Aroma. I can't remember if I placed the order on March the 3rd or if I received the order on March the 3rd, but it's been a little bit and I've been meaning to film this, but I'm kind of stuck these away and got busy with other things. So I just want to get started. There are 10 bags in total. I have some weights on some of them. As you can see, that one there in the middle is 9.4 ounces. I think pretty much most of these are around that mark. Let's see, that one was 9.9, 9.5, 9.7. So above the 9 ounce mark, and the company sells these for $10.80, I think. For some reason, I don't have my invoice anymore, but that's the number that's sticking in my head. If you know better than me, please feel free to let me know if I'm incorrect down below. But so let's just go ahead and jump right in. This first one here is Wishy Washy, and the scent description is Gain, Blackberry, Lemonade, and Pink Chiffon. And I'm hoping this is in focus. Can't really tell with the lighting. It's very sunny. We do have our blinds open and everything today. It's a beautiful day here in Texas. And here's one of the chunks. So there's some like a lilac purple, some blackberry, some black and purple, and like a cream color, and also a kind of a pistachio mint green in there. And this smells really great. I'm not really familiar with Pink Chiffon that much. I don't know if I've tried it before. I know that's either a Bath & Body Works or a Victoria's Secret or one of those types. I think it's Bath & Body Works though. Scent, but this smells really great. The Gain is what I pick out the most, and then the Lemonade. I haven't melted this yet. None of these, I don't think I actually have. They've just kind of been, like I said, sitting around for a little bit. So that was Wishy Washy. Okay, here's one. This next one is Soap N Suds, which is fresh linen, black linen, clean cotton, and fluffy towels. And this chunk looks pretty similar to the other one. It has some added pink in there, and more of like a yellow instead of the cream. But it's got the kind of it looks like a really dark black. I mean, a really dark purple instead of black, but it could just be black. And then that lilac color. I don't see any green in this one, but it's a really pretty chunk. And this one, that clean cotton smell and fresh linen smell is what comes to mind first. It's just like kind of like a bright, very bright laundry scent, like very strong on the laundry. Not sure what black linen smells like, but it smells really good. This is definitely very fresh, very strong, very much like a clean laundry scent. No fruity in that one. Okay, this next one, is the Love Boat, which is salty sea air, toasted marshmallow, sweet lavender, graham crackers, tea and cakes. I love tea and cakes, so usually when I see them in a blend, I snag them. Here's one of the chunks out of that bag, and I don't know if the colors are coming out correctly or not on here, but it's kind of like a caramel color, an aqua turquoise color, a light peachy pink, and another like a lavender lilac color. This smells really good. Salty sea air is coming out in the forefront for me. And I can smell tea and cakes in there. Sweet lavender. I'm not really smelling the sweet lavender or the graham crackers on cold. mainly because I can pick up the salty sea air and the tea and cakes the most. but this smells really good. I'm excited to melt that one. Okay, this next one is called All Washed Up, and it is Pink Chiffon, Fresh Rain, and Snuggle. This one's very pink. Oh my. Okay, so this is pink and like a teal turquoise color and then a lilac color. And I said oh my because it smells like Snuggle is the first thing that my nose is picking up. It smells like I'm opening up the bottle of Snuggle. And then I'm not sure, I smell something else in there. But again, I'm not really familiar with Pink Chiffon. It smells kind of perfumey, but still fresh. So it smells really good. I'm excited to melt that one as well. I'm happy with that one. That's a big whopper of a chunk right there. Okay, this next one is a different label type. I'm guessing this is her older style. I've never really ordered from her, so I'm not really familiar, but I think this is her older style. This is Alien Pink Sugar, which is, excuse me, pink sugar, melon, sparkling mandarin mixed with orange blossoms, star jasmine, and rose. A woody base is supplemented by vanilla and musk. So, Alien is a sentimental fragrance for me. It's actually one that I wore on my wedding day. So this smells like a sweet version of that. Like, I guess the pink sugar is just sweetening it up. It's not super strong, but I don't think you would want something that strong going on in your house. Like you just sprayed your perfume everywhere in your house. I really like it though. Let me show you a chunk. And it's white with pink and green. Like a kind of a sagey green. It's really pretty. I'm getting wax all over the place up here. Yeah, it's really pretty. I like that one as well. I think you'd have to like that perfume Alien to enjoy it. I know it's kind of a polarizing scent. Typically what I've seen with those Terry Mugler fragrances, you're either an Angel fan or you're an Alien fan. I do not like Angel, but I really like Alien. So I'm not sure, my nose is not good enough to pick out all those individual notes, but it does remind me of the perfume and sweetened up a little bit. Okay, this next one is Lavender Yeardley type. And I'm not sure, I didn't do a search or anything what Yardley type is. I'm assuming it's some kind of fragrance, but I don't know for sure. The scent description is rosemary, eucalyptus, lavender, bergamot, clary sage, cedar, geranium, tonka bean, musk, and oak moss. And this smells, I smell like the sage, like that kind of herbally sagey smell first. Again, I don't know what Yardley type is, but it smells really good. It's more herbally. It's kind of like a peachy, creamy color with pink and lavender inside. I like this too, though. Again, I haven't melted any of these yet, so I don't know about on warm, but on cold, I'm mainly picking up like a eucalyptus and rosemary and sage. It's very herbally. Lavender maybe too. It's kind of, that eucalyptus, rosemary, and sage are quite strong though. It's mainly what I'm picking up. At least my nose is picking up. Okay, next one is Lavender Gain Vanilla Bean Noel. So this is fresh, ozone-y top notes followed by fresh greenery, lavender, vanilla rose, jasmine, and melon with bottom notes of fresh air sweetened with vanilla bean Noel and a touch of lavender. Woo! That was a paragraph. This one smells really good. It smells Gain. I'm smelling like Gain and lavender. I'm guessing the Vanilla Bean Noel is mainly just like a blender. I think I was talking to Devin and telling her how I love lavender and laundry scents together, and there's like a lavender fabric softener that I use, and then we kind of switch up our different fabric or detergents, but that's kind of what I do to make that smell in my clothes, my family's clothes too. But this smells really good. It kind of reminds me of that, what I do for our clothes. So this is like a creamy yellow and green and purple. Sorry, I can't tell when I'm in frame and when I'm not. There we go. I love that one. Okay, next is Salty Sea Air, Black Coconut, and Black Sea. This is Plum, Ozone, Vanilla, Amber, Salty Sea Spray, Seaweed, Sun Weathered Driftwood, Water Lily, and Black Coconut. This one smells really good. They've gotten stronger as they've sat around for a couple months. Or my nose is just smelling way better today, even though it's way into allergy season right now. I think they've just gotten stronger. So I mainly smell, I don't know what Black Coconut smells like on its own or Black Sea, but I can smell Salty Sea Air, plus kind of like in that same vein, like aquatic, salty, esque fragrance. It smells really good. This would be great for spring and summer. This is a turquoise color with white and black chunks inside. Oh, this one smells really nice and fresh. I like that one too. I like all of these. I'm happy with my purchase that I made. Okay, this is Old Town Bake Shop Zucchini Sweet Bakery Dough Birthday, which is buttery vanilla, fresh dough, and gooey butter with hints of sugared almonds, buttercream, milky caramelized burnt sugar, powdery sweet confectioner sugar, fresh baked zucchini, and moist birthday cake. And I could smell this through the bag. It smells delicious. This smells like vanilla, buttery, kind of like a almondy. Oh, it smells so good. It makes me like want to eat. Want dessert right now. Oh, it smells good. Okay, so this is kind of a caramel toffee color with yellow and white inside. Love this one. If you're a bakery person, this Old Town Bake Shop, that oil is one of my favorites. I've had it from other vendors. And then I guess she added like 3 other oils to that, like a birthday cake oil, sweet bakery dough oil, and zucchini red. It smells really good. Not spicy, not a spicy zucchini. I'm not picking up spice in this. Just yummy deliciousness. Okay, and last but not least, I love this scent. I love tea and cakes, and I love a creamy rose scent as well. And so this is Tea and Cakes Rose Cream Noel, which is orange and almond tea cakes with a sip of steaming black tea, a rich sweet vanilla sugar cookie with slightly roasted marshmallow background, and a hint of caramel, and hints of roses, and sweetened with a little sweet cream. So, it smells kind of in the same, if you are a Super Tarts fan and you like umbrage, it's kind of in the same vein as this, except I like this one better. This is kind of a toffee brown color, or caramel brown, whatever you want to call it, with pink inside, like a hot pink and then a lighter pink. And I love it. This is still one of my favorite fragrances. I got a sample, or I ordered some in a placed an order with somebody in a D-stash, and I had to buy more of it. So when I saw it for sale, I snagged this one. I love it so much. But Umbrage and from Super Tarts is quite similar if you can't get your hands on this one, and that sounds like it's something up your alley as well. So that's it, everyone. There were 10 bags in here, and again, they kind of sat around for a little bit, but I'm excited to get to start melting on these. Now that this is filmed, I feel like I can. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you are all having, there's my tripod again. Hope you're having a great day, and I will talk to you in my next video. If you have any questions, comments, or want to chit chat down below, feel free. I'd love to get to know you all guys better and know any feedback that you'd like to have on these videos, or if you have any questions about any of these scents, I'd love to answer any questions. Anyway, hope you're having a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.